I would love to live in an eco-friendly environment.
I want a home that won't contribute to global warming.
I would like to save on energy and cost.
I am in search of harmonious community living.
I won't compromise on comfort.
The ideal situation would be to strike the right balance between economy and environment.
Meet the new age homeowners of today. They are educated, aware, and concerned about the environment. These are the people who have motivated the Satyavani Group to find ever-evolving, innovative solutions to design and construction issues in the 21st century, to introduce a new way of living. Welcome to Green Homes. True to its vision, the company is clearly focused on its goal to change the way we live without compromising on our lifestyle and refresh the environment for a better life and the children of tomorrow. Backed by highly qualified professionals who share its passion for saving the environment, the company has developed the ideal infrastructure required to meet its goal of building 5,000 green homes by 2012. Implementing a series of green measures designed to meet global standards while providing the ultimate in comfort and cost saving. And spearheading this movement is Mr. P. Surya Prakash, the founder and head of the Satyavani Group.
Global warming happens because of excessive carbon emissions actually. So the carbon emissions we had in the last 5 decades is equivalent to that happened in 2 million years. So the excessive carbon emissions is a point of concern for everyone today. There is an increase in 2 degrees because of global warming, which can cause the melting of ice in Arctic and Antarctic regions. And also it causes floods, and it causes temperature variation and unusual rains, unusual temperatures, and it can destroy the whole global living conditions. Satyavani Group started in 1994 as a consulting company, and we have started with 5 people, and now in 14 years we have become 250 people. We have completed almost 300 projects in this period of 14 years, and we have done various types of projects like residential, commercial, IT parks, malls, industrial projects. And we thought that whatever experience we got, we leverage for our own advantage, and we started this real estate company by name Satyavani Homes. We thought that we should contribute our bit to while we are building the houses, because every house built emits about 600 tons of carbon. So we thought we should reduce this to at least 300 tons of carbon by building green homes. That's how we conceptualized and branded our products as green homes. Green homes are not very different from any existing buildings. It's only the way we provide the lighting, more of natural light, more of natural ventilation, less of heat attracting buildings, so that we need not use AC too many times. We reduce the usage of air conditioners, and we also reduce the incandescent lights or fluorescent lights, which consume a lot of energy. We go for LED lighting. And also we reduce people using washing machines in every flat, which will reduce the connected load by providing common community washing or common laundry. We will use the power that won't emit carbon, like solar power, wind power, and also tidal power. These are the power utilities which won't emit any carbon actually. So we are committed to reducing carbon emission by doing this, and people who buy our products won't even know that it's a green power, but we are providing the same power, but as a company, as a brand, we use only the green power, zero carbon power. We have a total waste management within the campus. Like we have sewage, we have water recycling, we do the sewage treatment and use the treated water for total landscaping and also flushing, which doesn't require a treated water. So we are committed to saving the water, and we also harvest the water that we collect within the campus. These are all already prevailing practices, but we make it a point to implement 100%. And similarly, the garbage disposal, the recyclable garbage, the degenerating bio-waste, all these things we will separate and segregate. We manage the garbage disposal, and that will also reduce a lot of carbon emission and intoxicant gases actually into the atmosphere. So these are all part of green homes concept, where we are doing all that is prevalent good practices we are implementing in our projects. In all the projects as a green home, it will have recycled material and reusable materials. Whatever content we create, the material can be reused. The green homes will be a sustainable business model for a builder or a developer, and also it is a sustainable environmental model. And also for the buyer of our product, we already got the results of this green commitment as promoters, because we got very good investment without much of effort from Amitai's Investments LLC based in California in US. So they are bringing in $10 million just because of our green commitment, and they are also committed to green. And when the news spread in San Francisco, within a month's time, we sold pre-launch bookings of about $1 million. And it's continuing, it is spreading like a wildfire, and we are getting a lot of NRIs booking our apartments and houses. But we feel that our Hyderabad community should also benefit out of this. So we are offering these products preferably to the people who are living in Hyderabad, because it matters who is going to live in these green homes, because it is a lifetime commitment to being green.
Green Homes Today is poised to launch a series of green projects that will implement green practices, such as improvement in indoor air quality, offering healthier air by providing better ventilation, reducing or eliminating the use of chemicals in building materials that give off gases, using less energy than conventional structures through a combination of artificial and natural lighting strategies, controls, natural ventilation and energy-efficient fixtures, substituting gas-emitting refrigerators, air conditioners and ordinary bulbs, working on a system which uses solar power for all power requirements, which can be used as a grid. And last but not the least, tapping all natural resources. To ensure living a better life in a better world, Green Homes is poised to launch a new way of living, which will reduce carbon emissions drastically, thereby helping reduce the impact of global warming.
Our customers who are committed to green, they create the fresh life for their next generation. So it's a new way of living.
Today, Green Homes reiterates its commitment to a greener tomorrow, a safer world, safe for you, your children, and their children. Green Homes, a new way of living.